This is the craziest scientific experiment ever conducted. Do you guys remember when you were a little kid and your parents told you not to crack your knuckles? And there were so many different reasons as to why you shouldn't, but none of them were proven. So one man finally set out to find the truth. Dr. Donald L. Unger was always told by his mom not to crack his knuckles. But since there was virtually no scientific evidence behind it, he set out an experiment. And his experiment lasted 60 entire years. Basically, in his experiment, he cracked his left hand every single day for 60 years straight, and he never once cracked his right hand. After 60 continuous years of cracking, he finally went out to get an x-ray. The results had absolutely shocked the doctor and everybody else who was preaching that you shouldn't crack your knuckles. In fact, this experiment was carried out with such precision that the doctor received a fake Nobel Peace Prize. If you guys want to hear the results, follow me for part 2. Thanks for watching.